Hey guys, what's up? B here. So I am in a different area in front of my podcasting mic. So today we are going to be unboxing the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This isn't usually how I start out my videos if this is your first time watching. So I had a little trouble this month with my sound. On a couple of videos you'll notice it's a little weird, but anyway, we'll get through it. This is the unboxing of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go, guys. Note 20 Ultra 5G. Let's get into the box here. So this has Android 10. And there's a Snapdragon 865 memory card slot and all that. Has the 3 cameras on the back. Has a standard view, super wide, and a telephoto lens. I'm going to go over a little bit of that. I'm going to do a weird cut here in a little bit, and you'll see the back of the phone and everything. Because my whole month has been horrible with electronics and all. So we have the cables inside. Charging brick. Did not come with the headphones, as you've probably seen in other videos. There's been 1,000 of them. There's the empty box. I have no idea why they put the empty box in there, but there you go. And there's the phone. There in all its glory. I got the Mystic Black. It's a very nice looking phone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be doing a comparison of the two phones, the Galaxy Note 10 and the Note 20 Ultra. Okay guys, so here's the Note 10 Plus. Look at the size. The Note 20 Ultra is slightly bigger. Slightly. We look at the sides, then this is about the same. The top. The back's camera bump is noticeable, of course. I don't really mind the camera bump. I mean, it looks cool to me, actually. There you go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to some more recent video when I got my memory card running. Okay guys, so here we go again. Now, like I said in the first part of the video, I lost my sound, so I had to kind of do voiceover, and I apologize. It was kind of a crappy video. I apologize, but here we go. Anyway, have your up and down volume rocker. We have your button here. It used to be the Bixby button. You can pretty much map it to what you want now. It's a beautiful phone. We have your standard view, super wide, and we have your telephoto lenses in the back. And you can see I did opt to get the Mystic Black. And here we have the S Pen slot, my favorite part, and it is on the opposite side of the phone this year. That's because of the camera here. There we go. There's that, and then I do apologize for getting this video out late. I was having a lot of technical difficulties early on here, so. Okay, so let's check out a couple of features here. So I do have my fingerprint scanner set up. See how fast that is? Boom. Pretty quick. All right. I want to check out some of the features. And it does have some standard Android stuff. I mean, you're going to see in the settings and stuff, connection, sound. We'll go a little bit more into this when I do my review on it. I did want to check out one thing here. I want to check out the wireless power share. I hardly ever used it before. Let me find it. It is going to be under. Let's see. I apologize. Device care, under battery, power mode, wireless power share. Let's check that out. You want to turn that on. I'm using my Galaxy Buds Plus. Oh, there we go. Got a little vibration. Green light came on. So that is about it. I will be back later on with my review on this. Come back in a couple of days and give you my first couple of days impressions of the phone. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, Samsung. This is B. I'm out.